Want to share more about yourself on Facebook? Let's add a bio to your profile from your iPhone. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to add a bio on Facebook using your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Go to your Facebook profile by tapping on your current profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Once you are in your profile page, you will see an Edit Profile button. Tap on it. Scroll down the Edit Profile page until you find the Bio section. Here, you will see an Add button right beside it. Tap on this button to start adding your bio. Enter the bio that you want for your profile. Finally, tap on the Save button from the top right corner of your screen. This will save your new bio and update your profile. And this is how you can add Facebook bio on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.